So let's work the next problem here. Pretty simple again. Let us first write them as like, say, T1 is like 3. Okay, what is T2 then? That's like 9. All right, T3 is like 27 given to me, and T4 is given as 81. Now we need to build a connection with this number and something in the same number in the right hand side. Can I write this 3 power 1? When I see 1 here, I see 1 here. Okay, how can I write 9 as? Can I write this as 3 squared? Look at that, that is a 2 here, there is a 2 here. Very good. Now what about this guy? I can write this as 3 cubed. There's a 3 here, there's a 3 here. All right, there's a 4 here. I can write 81 as 3 to the power 4. It means whatever number is coming here, I can see the power of 3 is also the same number. It means if I have like T5 here, it should be like whatever number, I don't understand this here, but this has to be 3 to the power 5. If this is like T6, this has to be like 3 to the power 6, right? So that's how it works. So can I write that the nth term of this Tn is like that 3 to the power n? Exactly, that's my formula. So Tn is a 3 to the power n is the formula which I'm looking for. Okay. Well, that's my first term, T1, T2, T3, and T4. I'm looking for the next 4 terms. That means I'm looking for T5, T6, T7, and T8. These are my answers. How do I get 5? T5. Come back to this guy. T5 is nothing but 3 to the power 5, which is nothing but 243. That is it. All right. Then what is T6? T6 is nothing but 3 to the power 6, which can be like 729. That's it. Right, that's 729. Okay, what about T power 7? There's 3 to the power 7, which can be 2187. Okay, that is 2187. Okay, what's the next guy? The last guy I'm looking for is T8, which can be T3 to the power 8, which is nothing but 6561. Okay, is there any other way of doing this? Possible. Let's check. This is one of the ways we found out the nth term, and can we find the next any other formula also working in? Let's start with this guy. T1 is like 3, which is 3 itself. Okay, T2 is like 3, or I can say 9, which can be written as 3 times 3, where this 3 is this guy. Okay, let's check. T3 is like 27. I can write as 9 times 3, which is nothing but this guy. All right, what's T4 then? That's like 81, which is like 27 times 3. Okay, so who's this guy? That is it, isn't it? So can I, in this design, can I just write? Okay, I'll erase this guy. Similarly, if I have to just continue writing this and write the connection between this number and this number, all right? So look at that, there's a 2 here. Can I write this guy as T2 is T1 times 3? Why not? How is that? Because T1 is 3, isn't it? So instead of this 3, I'm just writing T1. Okay. Then again, what is T3? T3 can be written as 9. 9 is nothing but what? T2. I know the value of 9 is T2 into 3. That's it. Right, this 3 is constant, right? See, this 3 is constant. I don't have to change this guy, but this guy is just the previous term. So T4 is nothing but T3 times 3. So what do you think T5 should be? T5 should be T4 times 3. Look at that. This is also a good way of writing it. So if that is the case, I can write T5 or T6 is T5 into 3. That's how it goes. Now accordingly, can I write this guy more in terms of the same number coming up? Can I write this guy as, let's say, let me erase this guy for some time. So I can write this guy more as T2 as T2 minus 1 into 3. Okay, that makes sense because you have a 2 here, you have a 2 here. This 3 is not changing, this 1 is not changing. Look at that. I can write this T3 as T3 minus 1 into 3 again. There's a 3 here, right? 3 here, then this guy is 3 minus 1 and this 3 is not changing, this 1 is not changing. So if I have to write 4, there's like T4 minus 1 into 3. So what's T5? T5 is like T5 minus 1 into 3. So what's changing? If you have a 5 here, you have a 5 here. The rest was the same. So that way I can write Tn is like Tn minus 1 into 3. That is it, isn't it? So according to that, can we still find the answers using this formula? the nth formula to be this, we can actually get two formulas. Tn was like 3 to the power n, one formula, or we can write Tn is like Tn minus 1 times 3. Both the formulas will give you the same answers. So right now I have the fourth one, I want the fifth one. So T5 is nothing but T5 minus 1 times 3. So T4 into 3. Now who's T4? This is already given to me, that's 81. So 81 times 3 is like 243. Got it. So I got the fifth term. I want the sixth term. T6 is T6 minus 1 times 3. Okay, that's T5 times 3. And who's T5? We just found this guy. T5 is 243. I can write 243 times 3. You multiply this guy, you get 729. Well, that's my T6, isn't it? Very nice. Then who's T7? I can write T7 as T6 times 3, or I can write T7 minus 1. Okay, 7 minus 1 times 3, that is T6 times 3. Then who's T6? T6 is this guy. 729 times 3. That's it. You multiply this guy, you should get 2187. I've done this already for you. Then the last term, T8. Is using the same formula. T8 is like T8 minus 1 times 3. That's like T7 times 3. Who's T7? That is 2187 times 3. That's it. That should be like 6561. So that's how we can find the next terms. If you find the nth term, okay, building the relation between the two consecutive terms, then we can find the nth term and we can solve it. So this problem, we can add two formulas and we get the same answer. Good enough.